So we're going down in the basement to see if I did made any progress. And before we step down, you can see that the boxes, I moved the couch and I stacked up some of the boxes that I didn't break down yet. So yeah, but if you remember this spot right here, I couldn't even walk in. Come on, clear up. Sorry about how dark it is, but now I can get back here. And again, guys, this is a process, sorry. The bike down here. This is so dark, it's really depressing. I was thinking about getting, I'm going to get like portable lights or something, to, address the lighting problem. Someone told me I can get some portable lights, to help with that. The dungeon darkness. So this area right here, yeah, I still gotta get all that right there. But, if you remember, I couldn't barely walk in this spot over here. And this is where I take my pictures at. So, getting this stuff cleared is a big help. I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove this, little flat lay thing that I built out the boxes, because it's taking up a lot of space and I need a smaller one. I seen a reseller, make one with a lot smaller and had the dimensions and stuff in it, so that helped me out. So I'm going to try to do that. But yeah, I'm going to break this table down probably, and then probably not, because I don't have any more room or space that I know of. So yeah, I'm walking over here, and this has always been, I always had this stacked up. I just got to start going through the crates and listing the stuff and these items. Sorry about the camera. I'm new to this. I will get better. But yeah, that's another part that I've worked on. This is another area that back there. So yeah, I don't know if the way I got it, like lining the shelves up against the wall, the shelves that I have, and then having the totes out stacked up like this. These dang totes are heavy. They are heavy. So yeah, we're walking back this way. There's the boxes, what I got, the Geo tracks and the Thomas, the train stuff and that stuff. I don't think I'm going to pick up that stuff anymore when it sells, because everyone has it and it takes up a lot of space, and yeah, it costs a lot of money to ship it. So yep, yeah, I haven't filled that up yet with the VHSs. Shall I say the loose VHSs that are just laying around everywhere. Which my mom, she loves Disney movies, and I have a whole bunch of those. So I'm going to go ahead and send those to her and get rid of those so she can look at. But yep, this is why I'm overwhelmed, because I went from knowing where everything was to not knowing, and yeah, got to start all over. But my therapist is saying, think of it as the positive, take the positive out into it, and the positive is I have tons of inventory that I can get up. And that's true because I haven't been sourcing in a long time. I've been trying to, been like years. I haven't even stepped into a thrift store. Not that I want to here where I live at because their prices are ridiculous. Except St. Vincent de Paul. I love St. Vincent de Paul. I love St. Vincent de Paul. I used to love Volunteers, but no. Change. So yeah, guys, if you can help me out, let me know what you would recommend me do with some of this stuff. I keep going back and forth. I know I gotta list it and stuff, but I keep going back and forth about how to list. Do I want to do singles? Do I want to do lots? Do I want to do both? And that's what I'm going to do right now, both. Because, like I said, I need some cash quickly. I need to continue to try to organize this spot and have me a spot instead of on my living room floor. Get my spot back to taking my pictures and stuff. So, yeah, I apologize for the lighting. Got those lights like that. Yep, I apologize for that. And yeah, I am working on it. I'm working on what I said I was going to be working on, and that's getting this all together where I can just come down and grab a box and sit down and list my items. I am still working upstairs on the floor, living room floor, while I watch my anime and my DIYs. Yeah, it's trying to adjust. But yeah, this is Nellie. Nellie's with the pre-love vibe, trying to build her reselling business and make some cash, some much needed cash. So yep, thank you guys for checking it out, and yeah, I will continue to try to make progress, and I will continue to let you guys see what I'm doing to be held accountable. So thanks. Talk to you later. Bye.